everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to look at just a wicked cool 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. Killer little car, guys. I bought it in Florida, but I guess this car actually spent most of its life out west in Montana. Buddy of mine, Justin's one who got this car for me. I guess the previous owner had this car for 40 years. The way it was explained to me, the body and paint is older. It's 17, 18 years old, and then the mechanicals are fresh. It was just done a couple of years ago. Beautiful color combination. This is factory color. It's is it Nightmist? Nightmist Blue Metallic, which is a dark blue, and then it's got a two-tone Parchment and Black custom interior in it. Really cool little car, guys. It's got the Heidts Mustang II independent front suspension on it. This thing drives like a freaking go-kart. Got a good running 289 underneath the hood that just a blast to drive. Good looking car. I love the color. Then it's got the 15-inch factory style wheels. You can see the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it, but really a cool car. There's definitely some little blemishes you can pick in the paint, but still very, very nice. Don't think it needs paint or anything like that. You can see the car's pretty. They've definitely replaced that front bumper. Again, pretty paint. Car looks good, but I will tell you, this car drives out excellent. Fun car to drive. You can see it's got the custom Pro Car bucket seats in it. Really cool coupe, guys. Like I said, pretty color combination. Just a fun car to drive. See a little scrape mark, a little touch-up mark there. That's just a little dust, guys. That'll come off. Looks like it's got the original rear bumper on it. You can definitely nitpick that. I don't know what my guys did. They missed some areas. Nice and flat down the sides. I believe it has all the original body panels except for the underneath the hood. I'll show you that. The inner wheel wells have been changed. This has got that Heidts Mustang II front suspension. But quarter-wise, they look original. Floors are all original. My guys just missed bugs and stuff, it looks like. I think that'll all clean off, guys. Car's got a great sound, and like you say, man, you get behind the wheel, this thing it's just fun to drive. Four-wheel disc brakes. See little blemishes there. Might come off. I don't know what the hell. I'm gonna take that back, guys. I think there's something on there. We can probably get that off. Again, factory C code 289 car. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it. Edelbrock polished aluminum intake. Little cam in it. BBK headers. And then if you look down there, it's got the complete Heidts Mustang II independent front suspension on it, tubular upper and lower control arms, power rack and pinion steering, all polyurethane bushings, and then it's also, that's what I was saying, this is not original underneath the hood right here. It should have a shock tower kit on it, and it's a shock tower delete kit, so you can remove that. Guy nicknamed it the Blue Diamond. That'll come off if you don't like it. It's just a sticker. Coilovers on the front. You see the Cobra valve covers and air cleaner, power steering, power rack and pinion steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. C4 automatic trans. There's your original VIN. It also has the front sway bar. It's a good looking little car, man. Oh, you know what that is? That's the glue, because it's on this side too. I forgot about that. He had with the little Cobra emblems. I bet you that's the glue from the little Cobra emblems. Little crack there. The Cobra emblems are in the glove box if somebody wants them. Or if you want to put them back on. Also, we have the little plastic venting that goes in there. Have you ever seen that? If you're ever out in the rain or something, they have these little plastic covers that go over those vents. 8-pillar chrome's pretty doggone nice. Original mirror, you can nitpick it a little bit. Door handles are pretty nice. Original door tag. Door skins are clean. Of course, it's got the parchment door pads, black carpet, black Pro Car seats. Bucket seats, full-length console. Does have a tilt wheel in it, or a tilt column in it with a wood wheel. That's nice for us big guys. Seats are nice. Headliner's nice. Factory dash showing 30,541. I'm sure that's 130. I don't think there's but a couple thousand miles on the car since it's been done. Sony aftermarket radio. Again, full-length console. C4 automatic trans, dual exhaust, factory rear, no big gear. I think stock 280. Factory jack with spares in here. That's just a fender cover. There's what I'm talking about, that little plastic cover. Jack with spares in here. Rip the doggone. You see it's all painted body color in here. Good looking car. Clean underneath. The floors look great. If you look underneath, the pictures underneath, you'll see the floors are nice and clean. It's just a nice, honest, straight old car, man. That's what the car is. Can you nitpick some things? Yes. Going on 7,000 of them, guys, that I bought and sold. You can nitpick every single one of them. The nice thing, it's not 100 grand. Which is where everything's headed, it seems like. A little glue come off our thing there. Seats are nice. Tell you, they're very comfortable. I'm not big on aftermarket seats, but they look good in there. Like I say, they're nice and comfortable. Gauges are clean. That tilt's nice, especially for us bigger guys. Full-length console, a little light in the console works. It's got that little mini torque starter. I don't know if you can hear that. BBK headers. Like I say, it's fun car to drive, man. Got a great sound to it. Gauges are all functional. Car hits the road great, man. Got good sound, nice little cam to it. Radio works, blower motor works. Jordan said the heat will roast you out of there. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That's a good looking car. I love the color. Good sound. Car sits good. Have a great day, guys.